Hey guys. Today, I want to talk about group by. We have this dataset. Imagine you are asked to calculate the total transaction amount for each national code. In this case, you can consider each national code as a separate group, where all related records need to be aggregated into a single value for each group. This value could be the sum of amounts, average amounts, number of transaction days, and so on. To perform group by in SQL, by the way, I'm using PostgreSQL, we need to specify the column that defines the groups right after select. Then, we include the column on which we want to apply aggregate functions like sum, avg, or others. We also use alias, to rename the resulting column. I will explain aggregate functions and aliases in future videos. At the end of the query, we must use the group by clause and specify the column that defines the groups. This tells SQL that we are performing a grouping operation. Now, let's execute the query. We can see that for each national code, there is a single aggregated value representing the total transaction amount. Additionally, we can retrieve multiple aggregated values for groups with more than one column. Suppose we want to know the number of distinct national codes and the total transaction amount for each fund on each date. In this case, our groups will be combinations of fund name and date, and we will use two aggregate functions, sum, amount, and count, distinct national code. So, we include the date and fund name columns in both the select and group by clauses. After executing the query, the result looks like this.